Hello friends, welcome to JavaFX 2D tutorial. In this video, we will see how to draw an ellipse. So here, if you see, this is the ellipse we are going to draw. For that, we need to construct this ellipse. And there are 4 parameters involved here while constructing the ellipse. So the first parameter will be the xy location that defines the center of the ellipse. X and y location we will specify. Then we will specify radius x and radius y. So all these parameters together defines the ellipse. So once you construct the ellipse object, you can add it to the scene graph. So JavaFX will take care of reading the scene graph and drawing the ellipse. So here, if you see, we are constructing the ellipse node. As already told, these two together specifies the center of the ellipse. Then we specify radius x and then radius y. So based on these 3 parameters, we constructed the 4 parameters, we constructed the ellipse. After that, we are setting fill as null. That means we are going to draw only the outline. So pen color is blue and thickness is 3. So this one, by this time you are well versed to it, I guess. So we already have the ellipse node and we are adding it to the group node. Root is group, we already saw in the code. That's also to the group root we are adding our ellipse. JavaFX will take care of drawing this ellipse. Now we will go to the demo. Now we will create a new file. Copy. Paste, refactor, copy. So in the very first video, we told you how to create a JavaFX project. So after creating that very first project, after creating the empty window, we are simply doing the copy and paste and testing the examples. Okay, this time we will delete all other code snippets. We'll just have some new group. Group is assigned to the scene. Scene background color is filled as white. And in between these two, we will add our new piece of code. And if you see, the ellipse is from same package, JavaFX scene shape ellipse. And you know the meaning of these parameters. So here we are in NetBeans IDE and we will rebuild this solution and run our 5th example. So here you are seeing an ellipse. So this is the ellipse center, then x and y radius defines the ellipse. And if you want to make a change, for example, let me reduce the x radius to 50. Now ellipse will appear like this. Okay, we will rebuild the solution. We will run the file, and if you see this time the ellipse is drawn in the vertical direction. So just now you saw how to draw an ellipse. Thank you for watching. Bye.